All right, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Ontarian Hawkins here, the passive income guru. I usually don't go live on Fridays. Fridays is usually my day to uh, follow up with everybody, follow up with all my contacts, my leads and prospects and things like that. But I had to go live today to share some very good news with you about this very powerful software that I have and that I've been sharing with other people. Um, this week right here was very significant because we had some very major news that happened. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys what happened this week. Okay, and as you see in the title, it says the secret software prints money on demand no matter the circumstances. Okay, I'm going to show you why I say that. I'm going to show you real customer results. Okay, because we all know that documentation beats conversation any time of the day. So I'm going to show you everything from every angle and give you the utmost confidence in what I'm offering you today. You know, I said this before, I'm going to say it again. You know, I can sit back, I can relax and make hands-free income all day long, but that would be very selfish of me if I didn't share it with someone else in need. I'm pretty sure you know somebody or yourself wouldn't mind having income coming in, whether you like it or not, whether you're sleeping or, on vacation or working your job. That income is coming in and day out. I don't know anyone that would turn that down. And that is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. I don't want to make this long and drawn out today. I want to get to the point. So let's go ahead and share my screen. If you're tuning in from YouTube, make sure, please make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the little bell notification. That way you get a notification every time I do a video. If you're on Facebook, welcome. Go ahead and love this video, share it with someone that is looking for passive income. You won't be sorry, I guarantee you. Okay. So first things first, let's go over here to let's talk about stats. Okay, let's talk about statistics. Because I know a lot of you out there, you want to see numbers. You want to see, okay, let me see the performance. I mean, Ontarian, you can talk all day long about how it's working for you, right? But I want to see numbers. Show me the numbers. Most people say show me the money, but show me the numbers, right? When it comes to investing, Forex trading in general, people want to see percentage gain. That is what people get most excited about. And I've been showing this for a while now. I've been showing you my stats, showing you that it's really working. So this particular account, I have two accounts going on this particular software. I have one main goal account, which is my smaller account. Now that account is over $4,800 now. I just updated it. Okay. I started, as you can see here, this was a test account, but it is a live account. I started this particular account with $2,650. All right, and all I'm doing on this account is free. I set it at one time and forget it, and it's already grown over $4,000 in a month and about 12, 13 days. Okay, with that, it's also gained over 73%. Ladies and gentlemen, this month alone, 34% gain, guys. Okay, totally hands-free. Totally hands-free. You tell me where you're going to get that type of percentage. And mind you, let me give a disclaimer. I'm not telling you you're going to get 30%. I'm not telling you you're going to get 70%. This is just my statistics. Your results is going to vary depending on your risk, the risk factors, depending on the market, depending on a lot of things, a lot of factors. but I'm just showing you what's been happening in this particular account. Okay. So 30%, 34% gain, over 73% gain total in less than a month and a half, guys. That is astronomical numbers. Okay. Just trading one pair, which is gold. Now, we all know gold is volatile. It moves. You're going to get at least 100 pips a day out of gold. So that's why it moves so well. And we have this particular software. It's designed to trade Euro USD, but we made a small little minor change, little itty bitty change for it to trade gold very successfully. Very minute change, and it trades gold very, very successfully. Okay. A lot of our members are achieving astronomical results. I'm going to show you some results in our Telegram here later on. I'm also going to show you a couple of our customers that I have hooked up to FX books here in just a second. So why did I make the title? Why did I say that this particular software prints money on demand no matter the circumstances? Most EAs, which this is what this is, an EA is a technical term for a software that trades hands-free. Okay, EA, expert advisor. That's the technical term. Most expert advisors, when it comes to heavy, high risk news, NFP week, where there's a lot of volatility, right? Remember, if you guys saw my video last couple of days ago, I talked about the ins and outs and the psychology of how this software trades. And I shared with you that most EAs out there are set up on what's called a martingale strategy. And I should also share with you that this particular EA is not a martingale strategy. It's not a martingale. All right. So it trades different. Okay. It moves very different. All right. With that, it is very powerful in that it produces no matter the circumstances that's going on in the market, no matter the volatility. And we all know what drives the volatility of the market is news. So this week we had probably the worst news ever that can come out in the Forex market. It came out on Wednesday. And it's this news right, where is it at? Right here. Okay. Fed interest rate decision. Actually, all of this combined was very high news. You can see right here it has 3 stars. That means the importance or the high risk level. This came out on Wednesday. Okay. Now, about a little over a month ago, I shared with you guys what happened when I had COVID-19 for the second time. The same news came out on June the 16th, right around here, June the 16th. And this is this particular chart is gold. Okay, let's go to Euro USD. Here's Euro USD. Okay, so the same news came out around June the 16th, right? And at the time, I was bedridden with COVID-19, and I had no idea that the Fed interest news was very high. I call it very high risk news. So what happened in retrospect was, soon as that news came out, Euro USD dropped about 300 pips, guys, in a matter of a couple of hours. 300 pips. This drop right here. Okay. At the time, this particular software, I was using it, and it actually did something very special. Your traditional martingale EA, if it sees or feels a drop like this, is going to place buy trades to look for the reversal. This particular EA, what it did, it didn't place any trades on this big drop. It was actually a big gap right here. And what it did, once it felt it was a pullback was coming, it started to place trades again. So it left a gap. Okay, very intelligent software. I had a gentleman reach out to me and ask me you know, how the software that I'm using, you know, how's it weathering the storm because of this drop that happened a month ago. And I said, you know what, it's weathering the storm very well, and we're in profit. You know, I'm in profit. And long story short, he's using the software as well, and he's loving the daily profits. So he was convinced. But most EAs would have blown accounts with this particular drop. The same thing happened. Let's go to gold. Gold dropped as well. Okay, look at this. Same area, June 16th. Look at the big drop on gold. Now, right here on my FX Books account, you see this 49% drawdown. That was because of this drop. And at the time, again, I was bedridden. I was COVID-19 bound. I was sick. Okay, I couldn't do nothing. So I'm looking at this, right, like, wow, you know, I'm about 50% drawdown because of this high interest news. But guess what? It bounced back and I made profit. Now, this time around, this Fed interest decision news comes out every 2 to 3 months. Every 2 to 3 months. And what I tell my people in the group, I say, hey, I told them, you know, I recommend you do not run the software for this week. Some people didn't run for the week. Some people did. Actually, I cut mine on very conservative, right? So did anything happen this time during the Fed news? Not really. Actually, on the day of, nothing really happened. Nothing really happened. But post Fed news this week, we had a nice little rally on the euro dollar, okay, and the gold. This little rally right here. Let me show you. Okay, this is the hour. So it started around right here. You see the market gets real crazy during the Fed news. It gets real crazy, starts wicking out and everything. It gets real crazy. So right here, a wick, it was a long wick, and then the market kind of shot up for a while. Okay, shot up for a while. It did nothing really. I mean, it wasn't too bad this time around. You know, drawdown wasn't bad. A lot of people profited with the software. Hey, it was phenomenal. Okay, it was very, very good. We have folks who are running both pairs, Euro USD and gold. You know, it's doing well. The reason the software works so well. Let me just give you just a real short synopsis. Is the take profit zones. See if I can draw this out for you. So you got to take profit. So this. Imagine this is a take profit zone right here. Okay. And what it does is kind of like a scalping, right? The take profit zones are very short distance. Okay. Very short distance for the take profit zone. So you may, and also it does a little bit of hedging. So it's going to place buys and sells to give you the best chances of making profit if the market is going up or if it's going down. Okay, if the market is going up, it's going to hit your take profit. Going down, it's going to hit your take profit. The amount of pips that is set in the software is it's not a large area. So you're going to hit your take profit most of the time. What we've seen is hitting the take profit. It comes back to the take profit. The other significant thing is these TPs. If the market is going up, for example, like you see here on Euro USD, the take profits will actually move. It won't stay here. It won't stay here. So you'll see something like this. As it goes up, take profit moves. Boom. That moves with it. Okay. It's not going to stay down here while the market is ranging up. Because if it does, you got a long way to go to reverse to hit the take profit. That's what a lot of your martingale EAs do. But these take profit zones actually move. Okay, as the market is going up, it moves. That way, when it's time to come to the take profit zone, it doesn't have far to travel. Same thing when it's going down. Take profit zones move. Okay, that's what makes it very significant. That's why it performs so well. That's why it's performing so well. So you've seen my my account, okay, with the gold. I had permission from one of our customers to show you his account and what his account has done in a very short amount of time. I'm talking about less than a month, ladies and gentlemen. Now, again, I'm going to show you his account. Again, his results, just like mine, are not typical. They're not typical. Your results will vary depending on your risk level, depending on the market, the volatility of the market, and many other factors. So I'm going to show you his account. I'm going to show you another account after this as well. Okay, I call him Big Rod. His name is I'm not going to disclose his name, but I call him Big Rod. Okay. All right, check it out. 3 weeks, guys. I say about 3.5 weeks or so. 3.5 weeks. He's had a 58.83% gain, ladies and gentlemen. All right, his profit in 3.5 weeks. Again, this is all hands-free. Is over $3,900, guys. Absolutely phenomenal. Today he's had a whopping. Now he pretty much ran his account the whole week. Okay, the whole week of the news information. So the news that happened this week, he blew past it. The software just blew past it and made him profit, as you can see. Okay, 6% today. This week alone, 10% this month, guys. Check it out. This month, 58.83% gain, hands free. Again, these numbers are not typical. We can't guarantee you're going to get it. Hey, this is just what he's doing. I know for a fact that he's running both pairs. He's running Euro USD and he's running gold on the same account. In order to do that, you have to have the cushion in your account to do that, because gold gets very volatile when it goes. Okay, I like gold is like a rubber band. It stretches far. It can stretch very far, but it always comes back to its place, after a while. So gold moves fast, but it also retraces fast, and that's why those profits add up pretty quickly. So there you go. So that's his account. These are real numbers, guys. These are real accounts. Let me go to another account here. One more account. Sign in here. Let's go to Mr. Foster's account. Okay. There's another account. He's also doing a combination of Euro USD and gold so far, and he hasn't been in a month either. 31.84% gain. Today alone, 2.33%. This week, almost 7%, 6.69%. Look at the month. The month, 31.84%, guys. These are astronomical numbers. Where else are you going to get these numbers in your investment without doing a single thing? That's why I named our group. Guess, check this out. The name of the Telegram group that I named it is Lazy Money Millionaires. Lazy Money Millionaires. Because we making lazy money. And my goal is to get everybody to millionaire status in the group. Okay. That's why I named it. That's why I named it that. But look, guys. Again, these are real accounts. This not demo. These are real numbers. Real numbers. Okay. I just say this. I'll just tell you this. The gold, if you're just trading with gold, for example, let me show you what the potential here real quick. Let's show you the potential. All right. Bear with me just for a second. Uh-oh. Oh, we don't want that. We want this, this, and this. And we're talking about gold. Now, I've been seeing, and other of our customers have been seeing at least $50 to $100 a day on gold. That's what we've been seeing. Again, I'm not guaranteeing these numbers, but on average, that's what we've been seeing per day. $50 to $100 a day. Now, I'm drawing this out to show you the potential of what could happen. So if you're getting a minimum of $50 a day, and say you have 3 accounts, because you can have multiple accounts here, what does that equal? That's a mere $150 a day. Potential. What does that equal per week? Let me do my math. 1 second. Put out the old smartphone. Per week, that equals $750 per week. Absolutely hands-free. What is that per month? That's a mere $3,000 per month. You know, you may look at $50 and be like, man, that ain't a lot of money. I dare you to put some money, put $2,000 in your savings account, in your checking account, and tell me how much you're going to make or are making per day or per week or per month. Tell me how much you're going to make. It's going to be a big fat zero. Big fat zero. Here, you have the potential to make $50 to $100 a day. On the low side, this is what you're looking at. On the high side, let's go to the other side. On the high side, remember, in between you got these other numbers in between. You got 60, 70, you know, just use your imagination. Let's go to the high side. You're looking at $300 potential per day. That's a mere what, $1,500 a week? And what is that per month? That's $6,000 a month, guys. Now, we're going to give you whatever you're trying to make. We're going to do our best to give you the numbers, what you need to have in your account, the settings and everything, okay? We can't guarantee it. We're going to give you the what could happen. Going to give you what could happen. What's the possibilities? What's the potential? Because we can't see the future when it comes to the markets, okay? It's different every day. So we're going to give you the potential of what could happen. And that should get you excited. That should get you very, very excited. Now, I get a lot of questions about, what do I need to get started with this? You know, what do I need? You know, how much do I need to put in my account to start trading? I'm going to answer that right now. Okay. So you're going to need a few items, or actually not a few items, just really a couple things. You're going to need something when it comes to EAs. You're going to need something called a VPS, which is a virtual private server. Okay, this is where we're going to install the software. The VPS allows your software to work for you in the cloud. So if your computer is off, if your computer is sleeping, or vice versa, your power goes out, you know, it doesn't matter. It's your software is still going to work for you. Okay. You're going to need to invest some money. So we're telling our people, you know, you can start out with a minimum of $500 to $1,000. Of course, the more you have in your account, the better. Okay. Why do I say that? Because the more you have in your account, the more you can make. The more you can leverage, the more money you can leverage, the more you can make. Simple as that. We have several people who started with 5,000. They're making money every day. They're seeing money every day. We got people that started with 1K or more. They're making money and seeing money every single day, hands-free. It works either way. It's just up to what you're trying to achieve. So these components is what you need. You also need something called a broker. Okay, the broker is where you're going to deposit the money to start trading. Without a broker, you cannot trade. The software cannot work. So all of this is connected to each other. All of it is connected. You need all of this. And you know, this always sounds like gibberish to you. Don't worry. I'll walk you through all of this. It's very simple. I have my partner that also helps set up new members. So we got you covered on all angles. So don't worry. We're going to take good care of you. Okay, good care of you. Did I cover everything? I think I did. Showed you FX books. I think that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, let me just go to the group. Last thing. Let's go to the Telegram group and show you some more statistics, show you more stats, show you what people are saying. Is it positive? Is it negative? We're going to show you right now. Okay. Come on, Telegram. Telegram always want to give me problems. All right. Let's see here. This is the Telegram group, ladies and gentlemen. Tracy Boyd, she just joined us. She did $14. I think she did for the week. $14 for the week. Congratulations, Tracy. More to come, sis. More to come. She just joined us. Let's see here. Tony Green. Tony Green said, not a bad way to end the week. Always in profit here, as you can see. Nice profits there, Tony. Tony did $151 for the week without touching a single button. Okay. Let's see, Benjamin. $394 for the week for Benjamin. Okay. Not bad. And let's see here. Let's scroll up. Rodney had a very good day. He has two accounts. One account did 600, and again, guys, this is hands-free income. One of his account did $622.78 today, in a day. One of his accounts did $155. He made over $700 today, guys, doing absolutely nothing. And I don't know why these other ones are not coming up. That's weird. I hate when that happens. I want to show you a statement that Kerry made. This is a trader, guys. Kerry is a Forex trader. He's good at what he does. I like to say he's a professional Forex trader. He knows how to read charts. Look what he said about this particular software. Where is it at? Right here. Look at this. He said, pretty impressed after a week using this EA, already outperforming the other EAs I've been using for 2 months. I'm going to read that again. Pretty impressed after a week using this EA, already outperforming the other EAs I've been using for 2 months. That's a powerful statement. It's a powerful statement. I don't know why these other are not loaded. That's okay. But hey, that's okay. They're in profit. I know Yuri made over $100 today. I think Cedric was well over $50 today. Kerry did good today. Rashawn, he's trading gold. I don't know why these are not showing up. It's all good though. It is all good. All right. Showed you guys quite a bit today. So Next time I do the stats, show you the group, I have to do it from my phone. That way you can see it all. Okay. That way you can see it all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, get on up out of here. I'm gonna end it with this, as I always like to end it, showing you the potential, showing you the big picture again of what could happen to you if you decide to take action. What could happen to you if you decide to take action? So this is the Forex compound calculator. It shows you the potential of what could happen when you put compounding into effect. And I always like to start with $5,000. All right. And let's just say we're doing 20% per month, as you saw on the accounts. Yeah, not guaranteed, but you saw well over 20% gain. You saw 30%. You saw 70%. You saw 50%. So let's just go with a mere 20%. And let's just say we do that for 12 months and not take anything out. You know, you may have a retirement. You may be wanting to retire soon. You know, maybe you're sick of your job. Maybe you know that job security is scarce these days. You want an exit plan. I believe that this can be your exit plan. I really do. I really do. So let's calculate it. If you put $5,000 into a savings account, into a checking account, guess what? It's not going to get this for you, guaranteed. But this is the potential. 20% in a month. 20% per month is a mere 1% per day. 5 trading days a week. Okay, 20 trading days a month. For 12 months, 44,000. Your 5,000 will turn into $44,580 if it's getting 20% per month. Again, some months are going to be lower, some months may be higher. It depends. Let's take this same 44,000, put it right here. Let's do it again. The compound effect is now you're going to see the compound effect take action, take effect. Same 44,580. Now you got 6 figures. Now you got 6 figures in your account. And if you can't walk away from your job with that, I don't know what you're going to do. Okay. All right. Let's just play with the numbers one more time, see what happens. And that's a number I can't even read. That was it, 3,543,962. The power of compounding, ladies and gentlemen. Just giving you a scenario of what could happen. Okay. So that is my time. Kind of went a little over today, but I wanted to give you guys as much detail as possible for you to make an educated decision. Because that's all it is. It is an educated decision that you're making today. Not only for yourself, but for your family and for generations to come. Okay? It's about your lineage. It is about your lineage. So if you got any questions, you know where to find me. If you're on YouTube, I'm going to leave some information below for you to contact me, book a time with me. If you're on Facebook, simply inbox me if you got any questions about this powerful piece of software that can print money on demand no matter the circumstances. All right. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your weekend. Talk to you soon.